Oh, fuck!
Action!
Hey, welcome back to Chicago Reacts. My name is Colin, and today I'm watching Season 1, Episode 7 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. And this episode is titled Conqueror of Flames. So, yeah, sounds neat. Last episode, we finally met the person that Rimuru is destined to be with, apparently. She seems kind of cool. Although, not although. So she's also from Earth, like Rimuru's Earth. But she's from, like, World War II era. And she was summoned, by... I forget if we actually learned who this person was. Or if they were still a mystery. But someone summoned her to be, like, their killing machine for her. And she was taken as a child while her town was burning during World War II. So, yeah. I guess we'll learn a little bit more about her and what her deal is. I think she's got some kind of secrets, you know? Like I said, I think the guy who summoned her is kind of using her as a killing machine, so she might be volatile, you know, a little dangerous. But she seems nice. Like, she seems like a good person, but might have some inner demons, I guess, so to speak. But yeah, with that being said, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll bring up the share screen here. Where'd that feather come from? Oh. Oh man, is she being, like, puppeted? Damn, she just, like, incinerated him. Yeah. Wow. That, like... So something about me when it comes to, like, film and television deaths, the ones that, like, kind of creep me out or just give me the ick the most are the ones where people are either, like, eaten alive by, like... Specifically the one that got me as a kid were the Beatles from The Mummy, you know, with Brendan Fraser. Like, something like that, or being, like, disintegrated semi-slowly or whatever, just into nothingness, kind of like this. I think, you know, because it's cartoon, it's a little less, you know, icky for me, but still, like, I think it's like you're conscious while you're being ripped apart, atom by atom or piece by piece, and that just, like, that freaks me out. That concept, it disturbs me. But I think I've digressed a little bit too much on that, so let's keep going.
しずえ
しずえうん今日よりしずと名乗るがいい
しず
What is the Is that like, I don't know. Is that a last name or an initial or something? Like, I'll call an A or something like that, you know? Or is that I don't know, some part of Japanese grammar, or I don't know how you phrase that, but I don't know. Can someone explain that to me, maybe? Please? Someone who knows more than I do. Thank you.
この子親とはぐれたみたいでお願い見逃して
Why is she so afraid of her?
私も一緒にお世話していいこの子もそう言ってるピザってどうかなピザ
Wait, does that mean he's gonna, like, get a power up now too, Pizu? Or can only monsters give names and then like give powers? Because that's like no, because then all the other goblins and stuff would have done that themselves, right? So I guess Rimuru's the reason he was too was that because he consumed the dragon, whose name I still haven't been able to remember or memorize yet. Or no, he consumed those like the magic crystals in that cave that gave him all the power and whatnot. Right? Is that what happened? Is that why he was able to? Why when he named the goblins that it gave him upgrades? I don't know. I kind of want to see what happens when a like a normal human names a monster. If nothing happens, or because like if that's the case, if like humans naming monsters doesn't do anything, then that's just kind of mean to just make them be nameless, you know? I don't know. I'm confused as to how the naming of people and monsters in this world works when it comes to giving them upgrades like how we've seen so far. Maybe I just need to pay better attention. Yeah, that's likely the case. But let's keep going. There it is. He got bigger. Oh no. I think Pizo knows something. Pizo knows something about this guy. Man, it's not good. Since I'm getting. Oh. Please don't tell me he's gonna make her murder the Pizu. That'll be so sad. Oh fuck! Damn! It was the little dog thing and the girl. Man, that's dark. That's brutal, man. And we've seen some like this show does not hold back. Like it is violent. But damn, that's like evil, man. That is evil. Wait, was that the girl? Oh wait, no, that was the girl from the party, whatever, right? When I say party, I don't mean like, hey, party, hoo hoo hoo. I mean like the scouting party, I guess. I'm gonna regret having done that little dance, I think, but
私を召喚した男を探すこと。見つけたらどうするんだ?
Well.
わかった。残念だけどいつでも。
Does that mean like she's gonna kill him? She just doesn't want to like fess up to it? I guess that could be. I mean, she's only known the guy. She's only known Rimuru. I want to say it correctly, but I'm not used to tapping my R's like that. Anywho, what was I saying? I get so self-conscious and I go on tangents and I forget. What was I saying? Oh yeah, she's only known him for like a day, so maybe she doesn't want to say, yeah, my goal in life is to find the guy that summoned me here and murder him. Because Rimuru seems like a good guy that probably wouldn't approve of that. So, yeah. Just trying to interpret her silence to that question. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Are they gonna die right now? Oh, nope. Nope. Oh, is she being summoned? Again? It's kind of funny that all they did was just like drop ash, drop ambers, or embers, I should say, instead of just like breathing. I mean, they looked like dragons, didn't they? And you'd think they'd be breathing fire, but no, they just sprinkle some hot sand. I guess it still gets the job done. It still burns everything down. Wait, is that dubstep in the music there? Like, wait, you heard it, right? Yeah. I don't know why I felt the need to point that out. I just thought that was kind of funny. I haven't heard dubstep in a while, I guess. Okay. Oh. They alive? Yes. Flare circle? Rather a short life. Oh God. This is why I like this show. I want to play that again. It was a short life. Rather a short life. That's funny. Is he wondering like why it's taking so long or what's? Huh? Quelle surprise! I think we could all use. Let's try that again. I think we could all use a friend like Valdora, the magical dragon. Good buddies. I want a dragon friend. Oh. And that's it. Okay. Well, another excellent episode of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. I will say, if there's maybe one, I don't want to say criticism, but just one thing that, I don't know, could be improved on about the show is that at every step, whenever he is confronted with an enemy or a antagonistic character, he kind of figures out how to beat them pretty quickly. Like, I don't know. It doesn't seem to be that much of a challenge each time. He just like, oh, this person is really powerful. Oh, my powers can kind of absorb theirs and then repurpose it for something even more powerful, or I can just absorb them and that's it. Like, I don't know. The stakes don't seem that high yet. Overall, though, like I'm enjoying the characters. I'm enjoying the story. Obviously, I find it hilarious, so I am really enjoying the show. That's like one thing that, I don't know, could be more interesting if it was a little bit more of a challenge, if he had to work at it to kind of learn how to use his powers a little bit more versus just having this mysterious computer lady inside his head explaining everything to him. Like, I guess I don't fully understand that aspect of the story and the character. So, yeah. But otherwise, like, again, I do really like this show. I just want to say that. In case there was any confusion. I don't want anyone thinking I'm not like that. I really do. Yeah. Like I've mentioned before, it's hilarious. Like the writing of this show is very funny. It's my kind of silly, stupid humor, and I appreciate that. And honestly, not something I think I've actually seen a lot of in what little anime I have seen. I guess each show has its own kind of style and genre, so it's gonna have different tones, I guess. But this is like a unique one that I haven't seen before, and I really like it. I find it very amusing. So, yeah. If you're still watching, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video here. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to continue seeing more videos like this. And, yeah. Until then, I'll see y'all next time. And here are the patrons.